2025. Hashed why this error happens. Explain in detail. Start the video by educating the viewer. Open quote, "Hey gamers, if you're seeing this error, security violation, SecureBoot is not enabled in Battlefield 6, don't worry. I've got you covered with a deep dive into what's causing it and how to fix it step by step. This issue usually appears when your system doesn't have SecureBoot turned on, a requirement for anti-cheat systems like EA Anti-Cheat or Easy Anti-Cheat used by Battlefield 6, close quote. Causes: 1. SecureBoot is disabled in BIOS UEFI. 2. You are using legacy boot mode, not UEFI. 3. Your system has a non-GPT MBR disk which is not compatible with SecureBoot. 4. You installed Windows in legacy mode or recently reinstalled dual booted. 5. Corrupted SecureBoot keys. 6. UEFI firmware bug or misconfiguration. 7. Unsigned or modified drivers that trigger anti-cheat protections. Check if solution 1. Check if SecureBoot is enabled. Windows check. Open quote, let's first check whether SecureBoot is enabled using Windows itself. Close quote. Steps: 1. Press Wins-R, type msinfo32 and press Enter. 2. Look for SecureBoot state. If it says off, you need to enable it in BIOS. If it says unsupported, you're likely on legacy BIOS. Explain this slowly and show visuals, screenshots in your video. Solution 2. Enable SecureBoot in BIOS UEFI. Open quote, now let's get into the BIOS and enable SecureBoot. Close quote. Steps: 1. Restart your PC and enter BIOS, commonly by pressing Del, F2, or ESC right after powering on. 2. Go to Boot tab, make sure boot mode is set to UEFI, not legacy. 3. Find SecureBoot option under Security or Boot Configuration. 4. Set SecureBoot equals enabled. 5. If there's an option called OS type, set it to Windows UEFI mode. 6. Save and exit BIOS. Warning, if your system disk is MBR, master boot record, enabling SecureBoot will not work. You'll need to convert it to GPT. Solution 3. Convert MBR to GPT without data loss. Open quote, if SecureBoot still shows unsupported, your disk might be using MBR. Let's convert it to GPT safely. Close quote. Steps: 1. Open command prompt as administrator. 2. Run. You can see the code in our conversation history. If it says validation completed successfully, proceed. 3. Then run. You can see the code in our conversation history. 4. Restart your PC and enter BIOS. 5. Enable UEFI boot mode and SecureBoot again. 6. Boot into Windows. Note, this only works if your system supports UEFI and you're on Windows 10 or 11. Solution 4. Update BIOS UEFI firmware. Open quote, sometimes SecureBoot is disabled due to outdated BIOS firmware. Close quote. Steps: 1. Search for your motherboard or laptop model plus BIOS update. 2. Download the latest firmware from the official manufacturer site. 3. Follow their instructions to update BIOS, usually using a tool like EasyFlash, MFlash, etc. For after update, go back and enable SecureBoot. Solution 5. Clear and restore SecureBoot keys. Open quote, if SecureBoot is enabled but you're still getting the error, your boot keys may be corrupted. Close quote. Steps: 1. Enter BIOS again. 2. Navigate to SecureBoot menu. 3. Select Restore Factory Keys or install default keys. 4. Save and exit. 5. Reboot and launch Battlefield 6. Batch hack Solution 6. Disable driver enforcement, temporary testing. Open quote, to test whether a bad driver is triggering the error, we can disable driver signature enforcement temporarily. Close quote. Hack steps. 1. Open command prompt as admin. 2. Run. You can see the code in our conversation history. 3. Restart your PC. 4. Try launching Battlefield 6. Open quote, warning, this is only for testing. Disable it after confirming. Close quote. Solution 7. Reinstall EA Anti-Cheat. Open quote, let's make sure EA Anti-Cheat isn't corrupted. Close quote. Steps: 1. Go to this folder. You can see the code in our conversation history. 2. Run eaanticheat.installer.exe. 3. Choose Battlefield 6. Click Uninstall. 4. Now click Install. 5. Reboot and launch game. Bonus tips for longer watch time. Troubleshooting scenarios. Include user comments or scenarios like, what if I don't see SecureBoot in BIOS? My game worked yesterday, why not today?